Hi, I'm Clarissa Kristjansson from the Little Breathing Space. I'm a menopause holistic health consultant, and I've been working in that space, bringing mindfulness, neuroscience, and holistic health coaching to help those going through the peri to post-menopause journey. I'm based in Sweden, but I work all over the world. My talk would be all about menopause as a positive change. And I'd like my audience to take away 3 things. Why menopause is so transformative, how you as professional declutterers and organisers can indeed help your clients when they're asking questions of themselves, like who am I becoming? And finally, if it's you that's going through perimenopause, how can you stay on top of your game in your business when brain fog, irritability and sleeplessness want to derail you? I believe that you can thrive, not just survive, in menopause. And my style? Well, I like to have a nice open questioning style. I like you to ask me questions, and I love putting in moments of reflection, little bits of mindfulness or little bits of thought starters that get the conversation flowing. A fun fact about me, well, I learned to bake during COVID lockdown. And if you want to know how to make a great chocolate cake with black beans and cacao, not much else, I'm your woman. And I'm looking forward to continuing to spread this message of menopause as a positive transformational change to as many people as possible. And I think that is exactly what this conference affords me to do. Thank you for your time and your consideration.